Stop wasting your money buying boring canned soup. Instead, make your own at home. Today, we're making a flavor-packed chicken noodle soup at home from scratch. With the flu going around, soups are a great meal to have on hand. This recipe is one you'll want to try, so let's get cooking. Start by dicing one yellow onion. Dice 2 celery sticks. Dice 3 carrots. Then in an Instant Pot set to saute, add 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Then add 3 bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. And cook this for about 5 to 6 minutes to brown up. Flip these around and separate the skin from the thigh. Remove the skin completely. Then add our veggies. 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 bay leaves, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of thyme. Then add 96 ounces of chicken stock. Cook at high pressure for 5 minutes. Remove our chicken thighs and pull apart the meat from the bone. Bring the Instant Pot back to a simmer using saute. And then add 16 ounces of extra wide egg noodles. Mix and cook for about 5 minutes or until the pasta is ready. Then add back the chicken and mix. This smells so delicious. There's something about a homemade chicken noodle soup that is just so much better than canned soup. And boom, we have a warm and cozy chicken noodle soup. If you got the flu or you're looking for a warm and cozy recipe, then this one's for you. You'll definitely have to try this one. If this looks yummy, then be sure to like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time.